All right, everyone. So here we have a happy birthday. Now, the funny thing about it is, it sounds pretty straightforward, right? You've got people getting older. They want to always stay 20 or 21. So you just convert their age into a different base, right? It's funny. So the initial tests worked no problem because if you know about Java, you can use integer parse int different bases. Let me see. I visited this tonight just to remind myself, or actually yesterday, to remind myself how you can go from one number to another number, right, using the base. So we have the number, we have the base. And this was fine with the problem until we get to base 41, because Java stops at base 36. Now, I had no idea how to change a number from one base to another. This is not something I do in my everyday life. So I had to do a little bit of searching. I first went to Wolfram Alpha, said, okay, what's 83 in base 10 to base 41? They give me 21, right? Which is what we're looking for. So, I think I'm on the right path. Then I do some stuff with REPL. Okay. Eventually, I do some searching. I find out that there is a way to convert using a mathematical algorithm, using an algorithm. So I copied and pasted from tutorials point. Step 1, divide the decimal number to be converted by the value of the new base. Step 2, get the remainder from step 1 as the rightmost digit, least significant digit. Step 3, divide the quotient of the previous divide by the new base. Step 4, record the remainder from step 3 as the next digit to the left of the new base number. Repeat steps 3 and 4, getting remainders from right to left until the quotient becomes 0. Now, I went ahead, wrote this up, loop inside of a loop, but the thing that I wanted to point out is when you get stuck with these Codewars problems, there's no shame in searching for the mathematical solution, for some insight into the problem. Now, in this case, I don't know if I would have been able to come up with this in any reasonable time, right? I mean, I learned something cool. I learned something new. That's the exciting thing about these problems. Not to show how much you know already, but to figure something out by learning from other people. So I would consider that a win over just simply copying the code from someone else. So I did have to spend a little bit of time writing the code out. All right, let's attempt it, make sure it works. All right, very good. So now we see I went up, I passed all the tests. Let's go ahead and submit it. I basically like to, now hold on a second. Hold on a second here. Format, that's just, well, that's getting a best practices. All right, so you can always see a much shorter solution. Definitely very cool. Best part about doing Codewars, seeing the cool short solutions.